Party song.
So this is a song I wrote called Uchazviona. And so you have that E chord, which is kind of based on that C position. So that's your I say sticking, and that's your fingering. Into an A chord. Then back to that E. Then to a B chord, which you bar these three notes. And then that high dot there. So E, A, back to E, B.
Count the rhythm?
What's that?
Can you count the rhythm for me?
So this is in a 4/4.
Uh-huh.
1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 2. I guess I can't do a count.
That's okay.
So
I get it with the count in.
So you can do that instead of you can go on the B chord.
Okay.
You can hit that note too, because then it brings you. So the whole thing quickly, just to have you hear it.
Cool.
So that's the sub lead, and then there's a higher guitar part that walks with it. So why don't we stop that one, and then